welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into create the leads in CRM, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. First of all, go to the CRM and leads in go to the section and create button and generated is a customer information. First of all, like yeah, lead name my name is Priya and my last name is this is about email also put this in information dot org. Okay, this is about information. This is information is put in then customer information that like then save button. See whatever see customer information attending. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that like icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below and I will see you in the next one.